What's up, guys? Today I got a video that's a little bit different. A lot of people's expressed to me that they love quality tools, but they just can't afford to pay tool truck prices. I understand where you're coming from, so I started doing a little research and I found some stuff that may help you guys out. So let's get into this video because this one is for you guys. All right, guys, like I mentioned in the intro, there's been a lot of people have expressed to me that they wish they had some quality tools and tools that they could use, but they just can't justify paying the tool truck prices for it. And I get that, I really do. A lot of guys don't have access to the tool trucks to have the 0% weekly truck account payments where you can pay $25 or $30 a week and end up with some really nice tools. And I do get that. That is an advantage of buying off the tool truck. But that's not the end of the game to say that you can't own quality tools and tools that work just as well at a way cheaper price. For example, I have in front of me, these are Astro Pneumatic universal impact sockets. Now, the tool truck ones, they're way on up there, guys. They're super expensive, and I understand that. What I want to do is just kind of compare some stuff real quick and let you see the difference between tool truck prices versus these Astro sets, and then you can be the judge for yourself if you think it's worth it or not. I think they're an extremely nice set. That's why I have 3 sets of them here. And these are actually going to go on the service truck. So let's get into this and I'll explain to you some of the things that kind of sold me on this set. For a prime example, this is, let me move these so you guys can see a little better. This is the 3/8 drive universal impact sockets by Astro Pneumatic. They run a size from 10 to a 19, no skip sizes. And this set runs $68.68 on Amazon. Like I say, it is an Astro Pneumatic, and you just can't beat the price. It runs from a 10 to a 19 with no skip sizes. It is the 6-point design, and it is pinless. I do like the fact that it has large numbers on it. They're on the base as well as the socket part itself. And this truck, if you bought this off the tool truck, the metric set is like that I compared it to is a snap-on, and we'll put that right over here for you guys to take a look at. It's a 7-piece set, and it's $342. I'm gonna give you just a second to think about that. That's right, this set is $68.68. This set is $342. So it don't take a genius to understand 10 pieces versus 7. Say I've got the Astros. Anyway, that's the 3/8 drive. They do offer a standard set too, because I know a lot of guys still use standards, and they run from a 5/16 up to a 3/4, and they run $59.44, and it is an 8-piece set. That same set on the snap-on truck would be astronomically high, just as you've seen the example of the metrics. I didn't show the example of the standards because I purchased the metrics. But anyway, this here is the 1/2-inch drive set. As you see, it goes from a 12 to a 19, no skip sizes, 21, 22, and 24. Once again, it is the 6-point design. It is pinless. Now this is an 11-piece set, and it runs $90.84 off of Amazon. So how much do you think the snap-on set would cost? Well, let's just look. It is $522.60 for a 7-piece set. So 11 pieces, 7 pieces, you guys do the math. There you go. And the last set is the standard 1/2-inch drive universal impacts. And it goes from a 7/16 all the way up to a 1-inch. And it is $88.84 off of Amazon. Well, how much does that snap-on set, you say? Well, how about 7 pieces for $480.35? That's the difference. Guys, there is alternatives, and they are a lot cheaper tools. Now, granted, these are not made in the United States. They're made in Taiwan, but they also carry a lifetime warranty. They are 6-point. They are pinless. They come on an aluminum rail. It's a nice set. If I didn't think it was a nice set, I wouldn't have them. So that should tell you a little bit, because I do have some snap-ons that I have here in the shop, but these are for the service truck. They're more than adequate for anything that we'd need. So why would I spend more on one set than I would the entire 3 sets? Because you're looking at $68, $90.84, and $88, where I can't even buy the metric set of snap-ons and have less pieces. So guys, just take a look. All these links to these will be in the description below. Just kind of do some shopping on some of this stuff, because you know, there's certain tools I definitely say that you should buy American made, or you should buy off the tool truck or whatever. I feel like these are going to be more than adequate for what we need here to use on the service truck. I feel like this is a quality tool, hence I have 3 sets. But anyway guys, that's my video today. If you're interested in these, be sure to check the links in the description. They're all available on Amazon, and you know, save yourself some money. Like always guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It's totally free. It don't cost you guys a dime. Y'all have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time. See ya.